Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let us learn how to create meetings in SugarCRM. First, let us know what a meeting module does in SugarCRM. It is used to track meetings which can be related to other Sugar records that represent the attendees or topics of discussion. We can schedule upcoming meetings that reminds us when the scheduled time approaches or log into meeting that I've already held to keep the record of the discussion. Now, let us see how to create meetings in SugarCRM. As there are various ways to create meetings, let us see one by one. One of the way to create meetings is to, when we go to navigation bar, we can find the meetings module. Let me click on it, and here we can see a create button. Now let us create a new meeting. These are all the fields to be filled to create a meeting. Let us understand the importance of each field and add the data to it. Here is the first field we can see is subject. That is on what basis or the reason why the meeting is being done. So let me give it as team meeting, and next comes the schedule where we can see scheduled, held and cancelled. It says the current status of the meeting. So let me give it as scheduled, and here is the start date. It shows the date and time of the meeting which is being scheduled to begin. So let me assign the date. Remember, when the meeting is being scheduled, we cannot assign the date prior to the current date. So let me give it as June 19th, and let me assign the time, say 10 o'clock, and end date. As the name says, it shows the end date and time of the meeting. The date of the meeting will be same of the start date. And now let me assign the end time of the meeting. Say a meeting has been held for 2 hours, that is till 12. As we assign the time, we can see the changes happened here. The green line shows the starting time of the meeting and the red line shows the ending time of the meeting. Now the start date and end date and the time has been assigned. Next is the location. It is nothing but the meeting location. Let me give it as Bangalore. And next comes the pop-up reminder. It is an alert to all Sugar user guests at the duration prior to the meeting start time. So let me give a 15 minutes prior pop-up for the guests. And next comes the email reminder. It works same as the pop-up reminder, but the reminder will be sent through email to all the meeting guests at specified duration prior to the meeting starting time. So let me give it as 15 minutes. Now the pop-up reminder has been assigned. Next comes the invitation body. It is a description or information about the meeting that is sent to the meeting guest. Let us say meeting regarding the launch of new products. And now the invitation body has been assigned. And next comes the meeting type. It is like through which application the meeting is hosted. By default, it is Sugar. Next is related to. It says to which module the meeting is related to. Here we can select the various modules to which the meeting has been assigned. Let me select accounts module, and in that we have option to select the particular account to which the meeting is being assigned to, say Amazon. Now it says that this meeting belongs to accounts module, and in accounts module we have assigned a meeting to Amazon account. Next comes the guest. Here the guest field says who are all the participants who are attending the meeting. So let me add the participants. Click on add button, and here we can select the participants. Let us select the participants who belongs to Amazon account. Let us build the filter, say account name. Let us select any of, and the account name, say Amazon. So let us add the guests who belongs to accounts Amazon. Build the filter again. Let us add one more guest. Yes. And account name again and Amazon. So we have assigned the meetings and called the guest from the Amazon account. Now next comes the assigned to. It is the Sugar user assigned to the meeting. And next comes the tags. It is a user created keyword used to identify the records in field. Let us say marketing. And next here is the team, where it says this meeting is being assigned to the sales team. Let us remove the support team. And next comes the internal notes. It is information about the meeting that are visible only to the internal users. Say meeting with marketing team to discuss about launch of new products. So this internal notes will be visible only to the internal users. As of now, we have filled all the fields in the meetings module, and in meetings we also have an option to conduct meeting on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis and yearly basis. So let us see what these repeat types do. Let me select daily. When I select daily, here are some extra fields which has to be filled. Here is the repeat interval. It shows the recurrence period of the meeting. For example, if the meeting has to be held every 3 days, so we can give it as interval 3. And here we have another field called repeat, and here we have two options, that is until and occurrence. Until shows the last date of the occurrence in the series. Say now the repeat until will go till the meeting has to be ended. So let us give it as 30th of June. And let us see what this occurrence does. Occurrence is the number of meetings in the series. Let us say the repeat occurrence of the meeting is for 12 days, and this is how the daily repeat time works. Now let us see weekly repeat time. Here we have to mention the number of days which the meetings are scheduled. So let us add the days of the week. Like Monday is a default day. We can change it and add some of the days, say Wednesday and Friday. So this says that the meetings will be repeated on Monday, Wednesday and Friday in a week. And here we have occurrence and until. If we select until, we have to assign the end date of the meeting, say 30th June. And when we again go to occurrence, it asks us for the repeat occurrence, say 10. This is how the weekly repeat type works. And let us go to monthly repeat type. Here we have some other extra fields which has to be filled. Repeat interval will be of, let us give it as 2 days. So every 2 days the meeting will be repeated. And here we have custom date where we have each and on the. Let me click on each. Each specifies the certain days of the month. Say let us give some days like 20th of June and 23rd of June. And here also we have the field until and occurrence, and it works as same as how it works in daily and monthly repeat type. And now let us see what on the custom date works. Here it is used to set the specific day the meeting should be conducted. So let us give it as second Monday of the June the meeting will be assigned. And here we have repeat again until and occurrence. It works same as how it works on weekly and monthly repeat type. So this is how the repeat types works in monthly. Now let us see yearly repeat type. And here in the yearly repeat type we can see only on the custom date. Let me select and let us give the custom date as every first Monday the meeting will be scheduled. Let us give until of June 30, or we can change the year to 2024 June 30th. So till the next year of first Monday the meeting will be assigned. This is how the yearly repeat type works. So this is one of the way to create a meeting. Let us save. Let us give occurrence. Now we can see a meeting assigned to the Amazon account. and it will be displayed on the screen. So this is one of the way to create meeting in SugarCRM. The other way is to, when we select any of the module, say accounts module, and select one of the account, say Apple. Here, when we come down the page, we can see a sub-panel called Meetings, and we have a plus icon here which says Create. If we click on Create, we'll get the page where we have to fill the various fields as discussed before. So we can see this in every module. Say now we'll go to Contacts module and select one of the contact, say Vikram, and as we go down the page, here we can see a meeting sub panel, and we have a create icon here, and we get the page where we have to fill the fields to create a meeting to that particular contact. So we can find this in all the modules. So this is the other way to create a meeting. This is how we create meetings in the SugarCRM. So let us learn more about SugarCRM in upcoming videos. Thank you.